Hey, it's Deb. Thanks for hanging out with me for a few minutes here in my Maine Gardens living room in my favorite flower chair. Early December in Maine, holiday season. I hope yours is going well so far. But just take note, the grass is still green here. It is just crazy. Anyway, I'm coming to you because I have a big announcement for you from my Maine Gardens. And please stay tuned because I'm going to give you a gift to thank you for watching. My Maine Gardens has launched a clothing line. Yes! And I've been working on this for maybe 7 months, and it's finally here. So we're kicking off mymaingardens.com. Please check out the website. There's lots of good stuff there, and you can shop right there with 3 designs. And I want to send a shout out to my friends at W.S. Emerson and Brewer who have really helped me take my original designs and bring them to life for you. And they have been amazing. I can't tell you how long it took to pick the right shirts. And I'm so happy with these shirts. They're a Bella canvas. They're so yummy. They feel great. You're going to love wearing them. And that was really important to me, that whatever you wear from my Maine Gardens, you enjoy it because of what it says, but because it's just, they're really comfortable to wear. So there's 2 styles. There's a long sleeve style, which is unisex. I'm wearing one right now. And then there's a short sleeve style, which is a woman's style. And you'll see what I mean. I'll show you in a minute. So let's start with the designs. This one, I love this, my family. So this was inspired by all of those decals you see on the back of vehicles, you know, with the family. Yeah, so this is just plants. This is me. And maybe you too, or somebody you know. So that's the My Family shirt. I love it. And it's available in short, long sleeve. And I want to show you the short sleeve because it's cute in that color. Isn't that cute? I picked these because they really look good on women. They're a very flattering cut. They're still a generous cut, but there's a little more shape to them than your conventional t-shirt. And the sleeves are really nice. They're not that kind of boxy sleeve. You'll see pictures on mymaingardens.com of me and others wearing them. And then each shirt has, where is it? Our My Maine Gardens fabric logo sewn on. Isn't that cool? Okay, so there's that one, number one. Number 2, okay, this is for me and for all of you who are heading somewhere, and then we go outside and we see a weed, and then we see another weed, and then the next thing you know, sorry I'm late, I saw a weed. This one's been very popular. Great gift for your tardy friends. This one, oh, and here's another version of it in a different color in long sleeve. Actually, this is one I've been wearing, and I've washed it a bunch of times, and it's one of my favorite shirts now because it's so cozy. Okay, love it. And if you do, or when you do wash, because please do wash your clothes every now and then, I recommend turning them inside out, washing it. I did mine on gentle, low dry or hang to dry. And then this one, it cracks me up. You ready? I wear the plants in this family. I know. So those are the 3. And because you're watching this and because you have been so supportive of My Maine Gardens since I launched our channel in July of 2022, I want to give you a discount on any order between now and December 31st. So go to mymaingardens.com at checkout, enter MMG, My Maine Gardens 15, MMG15 right there, and you'll get 15% off. How cool is that? So you can do some Christmas shopping. And the other thing that's really cool is for every shirt sold, and this is going to be forever, $2 for every shirt sold is going to be donated to a community garden in Maine. I'm so excited about giving back, especially to community gardens who are feeding people and helping people learn how to grow their own food. So we're going to start with a community garden I visit a lot and I've posted a lot about, and that's the Millbridge Commons in Millbridge, Maine. they're excited. So through March 31st, that is the community garden we're picking to make a donation to. So every shirt you buy, know that you're helping that community garden do the amazing work that they do. MMG15 will give you 15% off, and I'll send it out to you in some beautiful packaging or to your gift recipient. If it is a gift, you can just leave a message at checkout or email me or message me if you're not sure what to do. And I'll get this nice gift for you. I'll write your message, I'll handwrite it on the back. And then I also include a little present in every order. And I'm not gonna tell you what it is because I want it to be a surprise. So thank you for being here with me. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for all your support of My Maine Gardens. Let me know what you think about the shirts. I hope you pick some up for the holidays or for yourself. Really, they're so comfortable. And there are more designs coming. So sign up for emails and subscribe to YouTube. Follow us on social. We've got some really good ones in the queue that will be coming out shortly. I don't even have a favorite. I love them all. I wear the plants of this family. Okay, I gotta go. All right, talk to you later. Thank you.